I watched your video about Cryptomeria needles turning brown in the center of the plant, but will Cryptomeria drop whole interior limbs? Andrew on YouTube. What do you think about that one, Joellen? Cryptomeria, interior.
Yeah, the interior,
right.
they can, but it's mostly, what they drop is the leaves and any branches that are not getting and producing enough food for the plant. So when the plant says, hey, you're not producing enough, so I'm going to shut you down, and they shut themselves down. Or, now he was talking about whole branches. I mean, does he actually see a whole, again, a picture would have been nice. Is it a whole section in the middle, or is it just the interior of it? Because that's what I would think. Either there's not enough light for the interior, you know, so the plant isn't, the leaves and stuff are not producing, that branch is not producing food for the plants. The plant says, well, you know, we don't need you, so I'm going to not let you live anymore. But it could be that we've had a lot of rain this summer, and it could be just in a too wet of an area, and plant just in the center said, hey, you know, you're not getting enough light, and I can't live, so.
Right, yeah, I'm with you. It could have been environmental factors. See, we had a lot of rain early, followed by what?
A drought. Oh, gosh, yeah.
Yeah. Then with more rain.
And more rain.
After that, so very well could have been. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.